Welcome back to US Car Review. The moment you lay your eyes on this premium Harley-Davidson style cruiser, you are immediately struck by its commanding presence, an unmistakable symbol of power, freedom, and craftsmanship that has been meticulously engineered to appeal to the most discerning riders. Its deep, glossy black paint contrasted with metallic red accents creates a visual masterpiece that seems to move even when standing still, catching the light in ways that accentuate every curve and contour of its sculpted frame, while the chrome elements on the engine, exhaust, mirrors, and wheels gleam with a mirror-like shine, reflecting the modern American showroom environment in which it is displayed. The low-slung stance of the motorcycle instantly conveys authority and confidence, inviting the rider into a world where every detail has been carefully designed to combine aesthetics with performance. The wide, commanding handlebars draw attention to the rider's position, offering an ideal combination of control and comfort that allows for long, effortless rides whether on city streets or winding highways. The ergonomically contoured seat is perfectly positioned to offer both support and ease, with enough cushioning for long-distance cruising while maintaining the low, aggressive profile that defines a true cruiser. Every line on the body, from the sweeping fuel tank to the elegantly curved fenders that hug the tires, has been crafted with precision, giving the bike a sense of movement even while it is stationary. The thick, wide tires provide stability and a planted feel on the road, while the extended front forks and heavy cruiser frame ensure that the ride is smooth, balanced, and visually striking. The dual exhaust pipes, polished to perfection, are not only a feast for the eyes but also produce the signature Harley-inspired rumble that resonates deep in the chest, a sound that evokes both excitement and admiration from every onlooker. Beneath the striking exterior lies a high-torque V-twin engine, built to deliver a performance experience that is as exhilarating as it is reliable. Its power is immediate, providing strong acceleration while maintaining a smooth and controlled ride, and the advanced fuel injection system ensures precise performance in all conditions. The engine's design is as much about form as it is about function, with polished chrome surfaces highlighting the mechanical beauty of the machine and reflecting the dedication to craftsmanship that went into every component. Every gear, lever, and pedal is intuitively placed, allowing for effortless operation and a connection between rider and machine that feels almost instinctual. The suspension has been tuned to handle a variety of road conditions, ensuring a ride that is both responsive and comfortable, absorbing bumps and imperfections without compromising control or stability. The braking system is robust and reliable, providing confidence-inspiring stopping power whether maneuvering through congested urban streets or slowing down after a long stretch on the open highway. The lighting system, including a sharp, modern LED headlamp and precise tail lights, not only enhances visibility and safety but also contributes to the bike's aggressive and premium aesthetic. The wheels are a combination of strength and design artistry, with polished rims and intricate patterns that complement the overall cruiser profile, making every turn a visual statement. The bike's fuel tank is sculpted to flow seamlessly into the engine casing, emphasizing the muscular and aerodynamic lines of the motorcycle, while the chrome details around the tank cap, engine cover, and exhaust pipes enhance the luxurious yet rugged character of the machine. From the mirrors that provide clear rear visibility to the finely detailed grips and throttle, every touchpoint is designed to elevate the rider's experience, blending functionality with style. The color combination of deep black and metallic red is carefully chosen not just for visual appeal but to evoke emotion, combining sophistication with a bold, aggressive edge that mirrors the personality of the rider who commands it. This bike does not merely transport its rider from one location to another, it creates an experience, a connection to the road that transcends ordinary travel. The way the engine responds to throttle input, the subtle vibrations through the seat and foot pegs, and the precise handling all contribute to a sensory journey that feels alive and exhilarating. Passengers are also considered, with a rear seat designed for comfort and safety, allowing companions to share in the thrill of the ride without sacrificing ergonomics or style. Modern touches, such as a digital dashboard integrated seamlessly with analog features, provide all necessary information at a glance, from speed to fuel levels to navigation, ensuring that the ride is as practical as it is thrilling. The design pays homage to the classic American cruiser silhouette while incorporating contemporary engineering that makes it adaptable to modern road conditions and rider expectations. Every component, from the intricately designed wheels to the polished chrome footrests, speaks to a balance of durability and artistry, ensuring that the bike is as reliable as it is visually stunning. The dual exhaust system not only provides the signature deep, resonant sound that is synonymous with the cruiser culture but also enhances performance by optimizing airflow and engine efficiency. Riding this motorcycle is an immersive experience, where every twist of the throttle, every lean into a curve, and every stretch of the highway becomes part of a narrative of freedom and individuality. The wide, sculpted handlebars allow for precise steering input, giving the rider a sense of confidence and control even at higher speeds, while the low center of gravity ensures stability in turns and smooth handling over longer distances. The fenders, both front and rear, are more than aesthetic elements. They protect the bike and rider from debris while seamlessly integrating into the overall design language, maintaining the sleek, aggressive lines that define the cruiser. Even the smallest details, such as the polished chrome screws, engraved engine accents, and the texture of the leather seat, have been considered in the pursuit of perfection, creating a motorcycle that is both functional and an object of art. The riding experience is heightened by the tactile feedback from the road through the tires, the subtle growl of the engine, and the responsive handling that makes maneuvering through traffic or open stretches of road feel fluid and effortless. This bike embodies the essence of American motorcycling culture, combining a sense of rebellion, independence, and sophistication that resonates with riders who seek more than just transportation. They seek a lifestyle. The metallic red accents along the bodywork, tank, and fenders provide a striking visual contrast against the deep black base, creating a dynamic appearance that is both modern and timeless. The chrome elements, from exhaust to engine covers to handlebars, reflect light beautifully, enhancing the bike's contours and giving it a premium, showroom-ready finish that is impossible to ignore. The integrated technology, including LED lighting, responsive brakes, and advanced suspension, ensures that safety and performance are never compromised, allowing the rider to focus entirely on the experience of the ride. The engine, a finely tuned V-twin powerhouse, delivers both raw power and smooth torque, allowing for effortless cruising at lower speeds and thrilling acceleration when desired. The exhaust system not only produces the iconic sound that Harley-Davidson riders and enthusiasts crave but also contributes to the bike's overall aesthetic with polished chrome pipes that complement the overall design language. Every visual element, from the flowing lines of the fuel tank to the intricate design of the wheels and fenders, has been carefully crafted to create a cohesive, harmonious, and striking appearance. The seating arrangement, with its low-slung rider position and ergonomically designed passenger seat, ensures that long rides are comfortable and enjoyable, providing support where it is needed while maintaining the classic cruiser silhouette. This motorcycle is not just about performance or aesthetics, it is about the emotional connection between rider and machine. The tactile feedback from the grips, the subtle vibrations through the seat, the powerful rumble of the engine, and the visual dominance of the polished chrome and metallic paintwork all combine to create a sensory experience that is immersive and unforgettable. Every ride feels like an event, a statement of individuality, freedom, and taste, appealing to riders who value not just mobility but identity, culture, and craftsmanship. From city streets to open highways, the bike performs with confidence, blending stability, responsiveness, and comfort into an exhilarating package. The wide, sculpted handlebars allow for effortless control, while the low center of gravity and advanced suspension ensure a smooth, stable ride across varying terrain. The tires, carefully engineered for both grip and comfort, provide traction and stability, enhancing the rider's confidence in all conditions. The attention to detail extends to every component, from the polished chrome footrests and engraved engine covers to the texture and stitching of the leather seat, reflecting a commitment to quality that is immediately apparent. The visual appeal is complemented by practical elements, including a digital dashboard with easy-to-read gauges, responsive brakes, and integrated lighting systems that enhance safety and usability. The bike's dual exhaust system is not only a visual statement but also a performance enhancer, contributing to the deep, resonant engine note that makes every ride thrilling and unmistakably American. Riding this cruiser is an experience that engages all senses. The roar of the engine, the feeling of wind against the body, the gleam of the metallic paint in the sun, and the smooth handling across pavement all work together to create a ride that is as much about emotion as it is about mechanics. The low, aggressive stance combined with the flowing lines of the fuel tank, fenders, and bodywork give the motorcycle an aerodynamic yet muscular profile, conveying speed, power, and sophistication even when stationary. Chrome accents strategically placed along the engine, exhaust, and wheels catch and reflect light, creating a dynamic visual effect that draws attention wherever the bike goes. Every component, from the grips to the mirrors to the foot pegs, has been designed to maximize comfort and control, allowing riders of all experience levels to enjoy the ride with confidence and ease. The metallic red highlights along the fuel tank and fenders provide a striking contrast to the deep black body, creating a visual identity that is bold, aggressive, and unmistakably American. The V-twin engine delivers a smooth yet powerful performance, producing a signature growl that resonates deeply and adds to the sensory thrill of every ride. The dual exhaust pipes, polished to perfection, complement the bike's aesthetics while optimizing airflow and engine efficiency, ensuring that every acceleration is met with responsiveness and power. The suspension system absorbs bumps and imperfections, maintaining stability and comfort across a variety of road surfaces, while the wide tires provide grip and control, enhancing safety and confidence on every journey. The low-slung seat, contoured for rider comfort, allows for extended cruising without fatigue, while the passenger seat provides support and security, ensuring that companions can share in the experience without compromise. Modern LED lighting ensures visibility and safety while adding a contemporary edge to the classic cruiser aesthetic. From showroom floors to open highways, this motorcycle commands attention, drawing admiration from enthusiasts and casual observers alike, while providing an unmatched riding experience that combines power, style, comfort, and emotional engagement. Every element, from the polished chrome accents to the sculpted fuel tank, from the wide handlebars to the low-slung seat, has been carefully considered to create a motorcycle that is not just seen, but felt, an embodiment of freedom, craftsmanship, and American motorcycle culture. Riding it is more than movement, it is a declaration of individuality, a celebration of adventure, and a statement of taste, designed for riders who demand both performance and style, and who understand that a motorcycle is not just transportation but a lifestyle, a passion, and an extension of identity. The combination of deep black, metallic red, and gleaming chrome, together with the powerful V-twin engine, responsive handling, and meticulously designed components, ensures that every journey is an experience, every ride is a statement, and every glance at the bike evokes admiration, respect, and desire. This is not merely a cruiser, it is a culmination of decades of design evolution, engineering excellence, and cultural significance, packaged into a single, breathtaking machine that delivers freedom, thrill, and pride with every mile. It is a motorcycle for those who embrace the open road, who value craftsmanship, and who appreciate the fusion of form, function, and emotional resonance. Whether displayed under the bright lights of a modern showroom or tearing down a sun-drenched highway, it remains a symbol of premium quality, bold design, and unmistakable American spirit, inviting every rider to experience the ultimate combination of power, style, comfort, and culture, a motorcycle that defines what it means to ride with freedom, pride, and distinction in the world of cruiser motorcycles. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.